holistic travel guy here in the lobby of the Crowne Plaza Resort with a beautiful fireplace over here in the lobby, beautiful sitting areas all around, and you can have a cup of tea or a glass of beer, anything you want here at the Crowne Plaza. And there's a nice little rotary door over there, and guests come in and check out in and out of here all day long. And there's a beautiful little sitting area. And over here is the fireplace. Here's the front desk area. Here's the hallway to the guest rooms. Another sitting area. Here's the bar and the lounge over here on the left. Here's a computer station over here. You can do your business work with printing and computer over here. Have a drink over here in the lounge, in front of the fireplace. And that's it for this beautiful Crowne Plaza Resort with this gigantic stone fireplace, stone that was probably harvested right here in the Asheville area. All right, we'll see you down the road.